Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of dependencies. This question was asked in GATE CS 2015 set 3 question number 20. Consider the relation X contain P, Q, R, S, T, U with the following set of functional dependency. These are the functional dependency. Which of the following is trivial functional dependency in F positive closure, where F positive closure is closure of F, and 4 options are given. First, understand what is trivial functional dependency. If X implies Y, then Y should be subset of X. Then only we can say this is a trivial functional dependency. Now check the options. Option A, PR implies ST. This is not trivial functional dependency as ST is not subset of PR. Next option B, PR implies RT. This is not trivial functional dependency as RT is not subset of PR. Next option C, PS implies S. S is subset of PS, hence this is the trivial functional dependency. Then PSU implies Q. Q is not subset of PSU, hence this is not functional dependency. Answer will be option C. PS implies S is the trivial functional dependency. I already discussed what is functional dependency, what is trivial functional dependency. Just go through the lecture. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.